Every man eyes beauty, not only physical beauty, but aura, presence, glow, confidence. A beautiful figure is not just a body, it's an expression of discipline, self-love, elegance. And when a wife decides to take care of her health and body, her husband doesn't only see it, he feels it. He feels valued, attracted, pulled toward her again, like the first time he saw her. Today, I'll show you how a woman builds a stunning feminine figure, and how that figure strengthens love, desire, and happiness in marriage. Stay till the end, because the exercises you'll learn can change how your husband looks at you forever. A wife doesn't need to be perfect. She only needs to be glowing, healthy, alive. A woman who takes care of herself tells her husband this, silently. I love you enough to stay beautiful for you. I respect myself enough to stay strong for my life. Beauty is not only shape, beauty is discipline. Women feel love through words. Men feel love through beauty, touch, attraction. That's how nature designed us. When a wife remains fit, toned, glowing, her husband sees effort, attention, and pride. Not for the world, but for him. Not too skinny, not too heavy, just healthy, toned, curvy, active. Men adore flat or toned stomach, a-shaped hips and thighs, soft but firm arms, graceful posture, good hygiene and fragrance. And yes, all of these can be built. Before exercise, body needs fuel. Start your day with warm water plus lemon, 7 to 8 hours sleep, protein in every meal, fresh fruits/vegetables, cut sugar and junk slowly. When you feel fresh inside, you look stunning outside. Now, the most important part, exercises that build a figure husbands love. These movements build slim waist, shaped hips, round glutes, toned arms, feminine curves, attractive posture. Do 30 to 45 minutes daily, your body will transform. Exercise 1, squats. Squats are king of lower body shape. They make hips round, legs strong, walk feminine. Sets 3, reps 15 to 20. Exercise 2, side lunges. Side lunges carve curves. Feminine hips that naturally look attractive. Sets 3, reps 12 each side. Exercise 3, plank. Slim waist plus tight stomach. Plank is that exercise. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Increase each week. Exercise 4, glute bridges. This is the magic move for round hips. Curvy lower body. The shape men adore. Sets 4, reps 20. Exercise 5, incline push-ups. Helps tighten arms, chest, and posture. Sets 3, reps 10 to 15. Exercise 6, waist twists. Moves fat from belly, gives slim hourglass shape. Sets 3, reps 25 twists. Toe touches. Makes stomach flat plus hips flexible. Gentle, feminine movement. Reps 20. Exercise 8, jump rope. Best for full body slimming plus glow plus stamina. 10 minutes only, transformation guaranteed. Night routine for beauty. Before sleep, oil massage legs/arms. 10-minute stretching. Skin hydration. A light, fresh fragrance. Husband feels angelic softness. Heart melts instantly. Feminine dressing. Wear what enhances your shape, not hides it. Soft fabric plus fitted waist plus light perfume equals magic. Husband's eyes automatically follow. Walk slow, straight back, graceful steps. Confidence is sexier than makeup. Love language. Touch his arm when you talk. Hold his hand. Compliment him softly. Men melt with affection. Surprise in marriage. Sometimes a new dress. Sometimes a warm hug. Sometimes a smile when he enters home. Small surprises keep fire alive. Feminine energy attraction. Gentle tone. Kinoha. Fit body. Playful smile. A man doesn't just love a wife like this. He desires her final message. A beautiful figure is not just exercise. It is love expressed through discipline. A healthy wife becomes a happy wife. And a happy wife makes a husband grateful, loyal, thrilled. You can win your man's heart every day with self-care, fitness, elegance, and softness.